Hello everyone and welcome to Data Science Nepal, your ultimate resource for mastering the art and science of data. Whether you're pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in data science, or simply looking to deepen your understanding of this transformative field, this channel is dedicated to providing high-quality educational content on data science that align with university syllabus, tailored to meet the needs of students, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll explore the Masters in Data Science, MDS, program offered by Tribhuvan University's School of Mathematical Sciences. Whether you're a prospective student or just curious, this video will give you an in-depth overview of the program. The Masters in Data Science, MDS, program is implemented by the School of Mathematical Sciences on a full-time basis. This program focuses on building core skills in areas like programming, statistics, data analytics, machine learning, data wrangling, visualization, communication, business foundations, and ethics. These skills significantly enhance marketability in business, industry, and multinational companies. This interdisciplinary program, the first of its kind at Tribhuvan University, equips students to collect, clean, store, and query data from various private and public sources, assess and respond to decision-making requirements, apply analytic techniques to provide actionable insights, effectively communicate findings in written, oral, and visual formats. The MDS program spans 2 years, divided into 4 semesters, and consists of 60 credits. It combines theory, practical work, projects, and a thesis. The guidelines for the evaluation system includes 40% internal evaluation based on attendance, assignments, presentations, and term exams. 60% external exams conducted by the School of Mathematical Sciences under the supervision and approval of Tribhuvan University Examination Board. Projects and theses are rigorously evaluated through pre-viva sessions and reviews by the research committee. Students must secure at least 50% in both internal and external evaluations to pass. To apply for the MDS program, candidates must have a minimum CGPA of 2.0, second division, or 45% in their bachelor's degree. Eligible degrees include BSc CSIT Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Information Technology, B Math CSC Bachelor in Mathematical Science, B Bachelor in Engineering, BIT Bachelor in Information Technology, BCA Bachelor in Computer Application, BSc Mathematics, BSc Statistics, BA Bachelor of Arts with Mathematics or Statistics in first 2 years, BIM Bachelor in Management with Mathematics and Statistics, and equivalent programs. The total fee for the MDS program is Nepalese rupees 3,60,000 for the 2-year course, excluding semester examination fees. An additional 15,000 is charged for capstone project or thesis processing in the 4th semester. The detailed fee structures are shared during admission. The program admits 40 students annually, with 80% as regular students and 20% under the inclusive quota as per TU rules. Scholarships are awarded to 10% of students based on merit and need. Applicants must fill out an online form available at official website of Tribhuvan University Institute of Science and Technology, www.tu.yoast.edu.np. Ensure all required documents are submitted before the deadline. Within 2 years program divided into 4 semesters, you'll go through 13 compulsory courses and 16 elective courses, out of which 6 must be chosen. In first semester, there are 4 compulsory courses listed as Fundamentals of Data Science, Data Structures and Algorithms, Statistical Computing with R and Mathematics for Data Science, and 1 elective must be chosen between Database Management Systems, Programming Concepts and Techniques, and Linear and Integer Programming. Similar to first semester, there are 4 compulsory courses and 1 elective course in second semester program. The compulsory courses include Programming with Python, Applied Machine Learning, Statistical Methods for Data Science and Multivariable Calculus for Data Science, whereas the elective courses include Natural Language Processing, Artificial Intelligence and Learning Structure and Time Series. In third semester program, the number of compulsory courses is reduced to 3, whereas the number of elective courses is increased to 2 courses. The compulsory courses include research methodology, advanced data mining and techniques for big data, and the elective courses include cloud computing, regression analysis, decision analysis, and Monte Carlo methods. In the final semester, there are 2 compulsory courses and 2 elective courses. The compulsory courses include data visualization and either capstone project or thesis, and the elective courses include social network analysis, actuarial data analysis, deep learning, business analytics, bioinformatics, and economic analysis. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Science Nepal. Stay tuned for more insights into data science education and career opportunities. See you in the next video.